Oh yes, night 4 at this stupid place. Or night 3, who knows? No, I think I'm on night 3 or 4, who knows? Repair, turning on. Wait, on? I thought I turned them off. Alright. Good thing I'm able. Okay, I think, wait. Ring. Yeah. He's getting very quirky at night. He will move out of the arcade. Just make sure you got those doors shut. Got that? Yes, I do. I don't think he's moving because I can't hear him talk. So we're good. Oh, he's moving. Where's his music? He usually talks when he's about to move. Uh-oh. Wait. Ring. Someone stole his music box? Oh no. I see him. Gotta go back to my office. Oh, he's right there. Stop. Quirky, turn off. Gotta go back to my office. He's gonna turn in 3 seconds. Oh, good thing. Wait, where is he now? Where's he? Where's him? Where's Roomba? Oh, he's back in the office. Using a trumpet to move. Wait, is he moving? I gotta run. He's probably chasing after me. Shut the door. I shut the door on you. Wait, why is it? Open door. Shut door. Oh, he needs repairs. That's his own fault, bro. I forgot there's glass. Turn on. Repair. Back to office. Turn on. Oh, phew. What time is it? 4 a.m. Turn off. No, I don't need a glass. That's not going to get in. Turn on. I'm scared. Wait, why is it dead crashed? Turn off. Trash. You can't get in. He's doo-doo. Turn on. Oh, 5 a.m. Turn on. Turn off. Turn on. Okay. Wait, 5 a.m. Ding. 6 a.m. bud, you can leave. Finally. 6 a.m. Gotta turn this man off. Right gun. Back to your spot. Turn on for daytime. Oh, finally, I can finally leave. Oh.